Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here finally to do the winner's drawing for the challenge we did using the Vintage Slim Journal collage pages. I have them in this journal. I also added this in the journal, but these were not included in the challenge, but well, it was just underneath. And we also had these Happy New Year Junk Journal kit, 6 pages. These are available on my Ko-fi. They are still available for a small price, and you are helping me raise a budget to do more for the channel, like crafting, testing out craft supplies, or maybe sending out prizes and everything, because that is what I do on my Ko-fi. Everything you send me to support me, I will use to give it back to you in one way or the other. And yeah, this is the journal I'm making. It's actually done. I only have to do this. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it tonight on a video, because I promised to do this on video, but we will see. But like I said, we are going to do the challenge drawing, the numbers, the winner's drawing. If you use this kit, your post, not a picture but the post, and of course you can add more pictures to the post, but each post counted for 1 entry. And if you use this kit, the Vintage Slim Journal collage pages, together with this or only this, then each post will count for 2 entries, so your name will be in the giveaway twice. I have gathered all the names, and also Stacey Merritt, the group admin, she also checked all the names, so we compared, and I have all the names in the name picker wheel, and we're going to change the setup, and then we are going to do the spinning, and I'm going to spin 3 times. The first time I'm going to spin the wheel is for the first prize, and then you can win 3 digital kits. The second prize is 2 digitals, and the third prize is 1 digital kit. So let's quickly change the setup, and I will be doing the drawing. One moment, and then I will be back. Okay, we have the wheel with the names in it and a big donut. We had a lot of entries, so there are a lot of names. Like I said, I'm going to spin 3 times. The first time I'm going to spin this wheel is for the first prize, 3 digitals, and here we go. And the first prize winner is Doreen Shawball. And I forgot to tell you this, but I'm going to remove Doreen completely from the names, because you can only win 1 prize. I will do that. One moment, please. So I removed her. I have to do that with the light on, otherwise I'm not seeing what I'm doing. I'm going to spin the wheel the second time for the second prize, and then you will 2 kits. And I forgot to congratulate Doreen, but by the way, congratulations with winning the first prize. And the second prize winner is our very own April. She's an admin in the Facebook group. Congratulations, April. Second prize, 2 kits. And the final spin is for the third prize. That is 1 digital from my Etsy. And here we go. And the first, no, not the first, the third prize winner is Mel Cockburn. I'm going to change the setup to the desk. One moment, please. Congrats, Mel, with winning the third prize, by the way. So here we are again, and again, thanks everybody for joining in with the challenges, and it was a lot of fun seeing all your makings, and some of you made really very pretty journals and fun little ephemeras, pretty ephemeras, and it was very inspiring to see all your makings, and I'm sure you have inspired somebody. I've been inspired by you. So, and talking about inspiration, not sure if you've seen it yet, but Stacey has made a tag book for her design team project, and she used the Slim Journal pages, and I thought that was such a fun thing to do. She made it with envelopes, so you don't have to do it with envelopes, but check her video. But I thought about doing a new challenge in a Facebook group using the Sweet Valentine journal pages, the complete set or the add-on set. This one is in my Etsy, this one is on my Ko-fi. Small price, and you still have, I'm not sure how many pages are in. I forgot to mention. Usually I do. Was it seven pages, something like that? Yeah, something like that. But we are going to make a tag book, and a tag book is a little booklet, and you'll have pockets with tags in it, or tags attached with paper clips, anything like that. It doesn't have to be huge like an alligator mouth. It can be small. I have in the Facebook group also like the file folders. Let me check. I have the shape here. They are shaped like this. And this one is from another kit. And if you fold it in half, you have already a small folder. And I also have the tiny pocket floppy thingies. I will link these in the Facebook group. That is something you can use in the tag book too. And I also have freebies with a lot of tags. So if you only have this one and you need more tags, you can also use the freebies and embellish them with things from the kit. And of course you are also allowed to add things from your stash, as long as the base is showing one of these kits or both. I've written down the rules for this challenge. Maybe I should do it like this so you can see better. Take this out of the way, otherwise you will be distracted. It's a new challenge. Make a tag book or journal with the Sweet Valentine pages, one of the kits. If you use the full kit, each post will count as 2 entries. If you use the add-on kit, each post will count as 1 entry. If you use both, it's still 2 entries. One post counts as 1 entry, not a picture. So not one picture is an entry. Each post is 1 entry, and 1 entry can be 2 times your names in the wheel or 1 time the names in the wheel. And you have to use the hashtag, and the hashtag is LDA Valentines, not Valentines, Valentines, like times to celebrate a Valentine. LDA Valentines. So just to be sure. But I'm going to make an event in the group. I think it will start this weekend. Yeah, it will start this weekend, but you already can craft along, and I will... no, we are going to run it for 3 weeks. Let me do that, because I can duplicate an event nowadays, so it's easier for me. I'm going to upload the event as soon as possible, and then you can already start, and you have 3 weeks to go along. But I hope you will all post a little bit each week, like we see progress in the tags or in the booklet. Yeah, this is it for today. Thanks again everybody for joining in. Thanks again for watching. Everybody who won, congratulations. Please send me a messenger message, please, because in the email I get lost. I receive so many emails each day. I don't know why people are sending me all those emails. So if you send me an email and it's in there, I might not see it. So please send me a chat message in Messenger, so I can see and respond right away. Yeah, for the new people in the group, we are doing challenges each month. If you are not able to purchase one of these kits, you can also join in with your own stuff, of course, and then each entry will count as each post will count as one entry. I just wanted to add that because not everybody is able to buy all these kits every month, and I do want people to enjoy, and there are a lot of freebies also available, so you can do a lot. I think I also have Valentine freebies. I will check and put everything in the Facebook group. We'll make it fun, whatever you're going to use. It's and should be inspiring for others for sure. So that's the goal: having fun, inspire others, and also win a little prize. But that's not the main goal. But to me, it would be a lot of fun to see everybody join in with this challenge, especially for Valentine's Day. Yeah, it would be really nice if everybody joined in. But I'm not complaining because a lot of you already joining in with all the challenges. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. See you next time. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye-bye. Bye.